Welcome. If you want to enter split screen in your OPPO Reno 4, at the first you have to open the tabs that you are going to use in this mode. So I will open the Google Chrome and also YouTube. After that we have to open the background apps by making the gesture, click on these two dots in the right upper corner of the app, select split screen, and then tap on the second application that we want to open. Okay, so let's go for the Gmail, for example. And right now we are in the two apps at the same time, and we can work on these apps. So you can also try to adjust the size of the application by switching the switcher, and we can also turn it off. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.